How to track your period on iPhone. So if you want to track your period on iPhone, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your health app. So just go and open your health app. Once you open up your health, here on the bottom is you can see that you will have summary, sharing, and then search. Or you may also have a browse option. If you don't find the browse option, you can also go with the search icon, which will be on the bottom. So tap on the search, and as you can see that here you will have a lot of health categories, right? So we are going to select the cycle tracking button. So tap on cycle tracking. Once you tap on it, you'll get this kind of interface. But if it's your first time using cycle tracking on your iPhone, it might ask you to answer some couple of questions that you simply have to answer. And then you need to tap on get started. Since I have already used it, I don't have to answer those questions. Now, once you finish answering those questions, what you have to do is add your last period. And to do that, you're going to tap on add period. So first you need to go and select a date. Just go with the top right, which has that calendar plus icon. Just tap on it and then select a date. Like, for example, I'll just simply go with the 31st December. So tap on it. I'll choose 2 or 3 more dates and then go with the tick, which will be on the top, and your period will be added. Right. Once your period is added, you need to just scroll down, and as you can see that it will give you your period notification. It will tell you that your period is likely to start on this and this date. And if you scroll down, you will have your cycles, your cycle history. You'll also be able to export the PDF of your cycle, and then you need to just scroll down, and then you will have all of your summary right here, your typical period length, your typical cycle length. You'll also be able to add your flow. You also have other options. You can go with options, which will be on the top, and you'll be able to allow all of these options if you want to. And you can also add some symptoms or spotting or some factors. So in this way, you'll be able to track your period on your iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.